In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover an Outlook password without resetting. If you've signed into Outlook before on your computer and let your browser save the password, you can view it from your built-in password manager instead of going through a full account reset. I'll walk you through it clearly, and I'll add a few tips to keep things secure as you go. First, open your web browser on the computer where you originally saved your Outlook password. This method works best in a Chromium-based browser like Google Chrome, using the same profile you normally use. Make sure you're on your own device, since revealing saved passwords should only be done for accounts you own. Next, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots to open the main menu. From here, go into Settings. In the Settings area, find the section labeled Passwords and Autofill, or it may appear as Autofill and Passwords depending on your version. Open that section, then choose Google Password Manager. This is where your saved site logins are organized. Inside Google Password Manager, use the search bar to quickly narrow things down. Type Outlook or live.com. Many outlook.com sign-ins are stored under those domains. If you don't see what you need, also try searching for Microsoft.com. That's because Outlook.com uses your Microsoft account, and in many cases, your email and password are the same across Microsoft services, so the entry might be saved under a Microsoft domain instead of Outlook or Live. When the correct entry appears, click it to open the details. You'll see your saved username and a hidden password. Click the eye icon to reveal the password. For your protection, the browser may ask you to confirm your identity with your computer password, a fingerprint, or face recognition. Go ahead and authenticate, and the password will be shown. Once it's visible, copy it carefully or jot it down somewhere secure if you need to use it right away. Avoid leaving it on screen and don't share it with anyone. When you're done, click away to hide the password again or close the password manager window. If nothing shows up for Outlook, Live, or Microsoft, it likely means the password wasn't saved on this profile or device, or it's saved under a different browser. In that case, you'd need to use Outlook's standard password reset process. But if you do see the entry, this is the fastest, cleanest way to recover it without changing anything. Stay safe and keep your password stored only on devices you trust.